if you can't log in, you go to login page, you will see forgot password right there. You click on forgot password, just touch it to open a form. You just have to fill this form and submit. That's it. And a new password will be sent to your email. Matric number, surname, other names, the email you want to receive the password, and your mobile number. That's it. Submit. If you say reset, it will clear everything you've typed there. So that's it. Or if you can log in on your phone, but you don't know the password, or that you give someone the password and the person can't log in, to know where it is, to know what exactly the password is, you go to settings. Just touch this vertical ellipsis here, three dots here. You go to settings, scroll up, then you go to password. You can see that. Hope you're getting it. So you go to passwords, touch it, and then when what you do is you go to this search bar to make it faster. Go there and type the website, NOU online. I don't have any saved password, but what is actually happening is that you have saved your password in your phone, but someone else, you don't know exactly what it is. So unlike this person, if I want to know what exactly the password is, I will come here, then I will have to click this button here. It will show me the password for this matric number, and I can only use it to log into this website here. That's it. You touch it, it might require your fingerprint or your password for the phone before you can see the actual password.